Hello, my name is Seohee, and a little fun fact about me is I went to Hiawatha Elementary School, and also I am a 12th grader at Okami's High School. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this paper rainbow, and I hope you can make one too. And let's go. Here are the supplies. As we are making a rainbow, you will need red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple colors of paper, and then also white to make the cloud. Additionally, you'll need some tape, scotch tape, and then a ruler, also scissors, and a black marker, and then also any kind of marker pen to write your special messages. After gathering your supplies, we'll move on to the first step. In this step, we'll be cutting up the different colors of paper to create the rainbow. And I will use my ruler to measure 2 centimeters for each color. So I'm going to take the paper horizontally and then cut it up. Now we have all our color strips. We're gonna be moving on to the next step. So I'm gonna take my white sheet of paper and set these aside. And I'm gonna be creating my cloud. So with a black marker, I am just gonna draw one. Now we are going to cut it. Now that I've cut my cloud, I am gonna draw a face on it. So I'm just gonna make some eyes and then a smiley face. This step, we're going to be putting them together. So we're going to make sure the color rays are in order. And then I am going to take my tape and tape the individual rays. Now that we're done, for an extra twist on the color rays, I'm gonna be writing my personal goals of this year, and I hope you can do that too. So I'm just gonna write them on the side with my marker. Hello, I hope you enjoyed watching my video, and make sure to hang this up in your room or your living room or anywhere, and then also make sure to keep on learning, and thank you so much for watching my small tutorial, and I hope to see you again. Goodbye!